we are going to see. So these are all the posts, and here I want to check for all the posts which have an interaction. So here I have a table 1, I give it an alias name, and for each of the posts that is there, I want to check if there is a corresponding record in the interactions table. So here I say posts P, and here I say p.id. For every ID that is there, I want to check if there is an interaction. Let me show you the interaction tables also. So these are the posts and their interaction. There are a total of 10 posts, and as we see here, there is no post ID with 10, and so post ID 10 is smart cleaning. Now here I do not see a smart cleaning here because it does not have any interaction. I only want to check if there is any interaction with the post. I only want the names of the posts which have an interaction, for which I make use of a correlated subquery. Now correlated subquery will have an outer table and an inner table. I can run this query for every value that is there in the outer query. So for every value that is there in the outer query, for every post ID, it will check if there is a corresponding post ID in interactions table also, then it will return a 1. Exists only check for availability of a result or not. It's not about whether it returns what result does it return. It's about whether it returns a result or not. So when it is, let's say for the first post ID 1, there will be a corresponding post ID in interactions table also. So it will return a 1. But when it comes to 10, it will not find any. So it will not return 1, which will be taken as not presence of a result. And so the name smart cleaning will not get included in the final result. So this is how the correlated subquery works. It executes for every value in the main query. Then there is, so I combine it with exists to check for the presence or non-presence of a result. I can also just say select star. Even that would give me the same result, because again it is only concerned about what result is it returning rather than the value of the result. So this is a correlated subquery using exists.